How to use WhatsApp channels. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to follow and create WhatsApp channels step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now, tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can find WhatsApp channels from brands, creators, and news pages. Scroll through the channel suggestions or search for a channel you want to follow. Now tap on Follow to start getting updates from that channel. Once followed, the channel will appear in your Updates section. You can open it any time to view posts, links, photos, or announcements. If you want notifications for new updates, tap on the bell icon at the top. Now, if you want to create your own WhatsApp channel, tap on the three-dot menu and select Create Channel. Tap Continue, then enter the details required for the channel that you want to create. Once your channel is created, you can share updates, images, links, or promotions with your followers. You can also share your channel link so more people can join. And that's it. That's how you can use WhatsApp channels easily.